Welcome to your passport to successful global resource sharing. This guide from the ALA RUSA STARS International Interlibrary Loan Committee will transform how you navigate the sometimes challenging waters of international interlibrary loan shipping and customs. In just a few minutes, we'll equip you with the essential knowledge to send library materials across borders seamlessly and efficiently. First impressions matter, especially at customs, so let's start with proper package preparation. Protect each item with an acid-free envelope or wrap it in acid-free packing paper. This will help preserve your valuable materials. For those particularly delicate items, you'll want to add a cushioning layer of bubble wrap and prevent the dreaded shipping shuffle by filling empty spaces in your package with additional paper or bubble wrap. Be sure to include your loan paperwork in duplicate. Tuck one set inside the book or media and place a duplicate copy in the shipping container. Remember, redundancy equals reliability. Don't forget your library materials return journey. Include a pre-printed address label for hassle-free return shipping. Your secret weapon at customs? Clearly mark your package exterior with the phrases library materials and no commercial value. These magic words can make the difference between smooth sailing and bureaucratic delays. When crossing borders, your shipping partner matters. FedEx, DHL Express, or your national postal service can be valuable partners. Why these carriers? They offer tracking capabilities and delivery confirmation for international shipping, giving you peace of mind as your materials journey abroad. These shipping services also allow you to balance your budget and timeline needs by choosing the right service level. Standard services typically deliver in 5 to 10 business days, depending on destination. Navigating customs doesn't have to be a labyrinth. Use these tips to ensure smooth passage. Commodity ID 999-18 works well for interlibrary loan. Describe your shipment as interlibrary loan book, lending book from one library to another. Be sure to apply the correct harmonized code 9801.00.1010, which translates to articles previously exported with intent to re-import after temporary use abroad. To minimize customs fees, and who doesn't want that, declare the value as $0 or the minimum allowed. And include the golden phrase, documents supply between research libraries, no commercial value. U.S. libraries have found these suggestions reduce customs complications. Don't forget to check the International ILL Toolkit for more helpful customs and shipping tips and additional information, like the Spanish customs example shown here. Once your package begins its international journey, immediately enter the tracking number into your ILL management system and share it with the borrowing institution. Be proactive. Set calendar reminders to check the tracking status halfway through the expected transit time. And close the loop by confirming receipt with the borrowing library and clearly establishing the return date. Communication is the cornerstone of successful resource sharing. Planning for the return journey is just as crucial as sending your package. Include that pre-printed return shipping label with clear instructions in the original package. Think of it as leaving breadcrumbs for the return path. Specify your preferred return shipping method and highlight any special handling requirements. Leave nothing to chance. And provide complete contact information and customs details to streamline the return process. The easier you make it, the more likely your materials will return promptly. By embracing these guidelines, you're not just shipping materials, you're building bridges between collections around the world. Remember that clear, consistent communication between lending and borrowing institutions transforms international resource sharing from a challenge into an opportunity. For even more expert insights and region-specific information, visit the International ILL Toolkit, your comprehensive resource for global lending excellence.